Every year, millions of space rocks zip past Earth, yet we rarely get hit. Let's see how lucky we are. As of August 2025, there are 507 numbered periodic comets, but there are trillions of them lurking in the Oort Cloud and Kuiper belt. Some well-known comets, like Halley's Comet, aren't even numbered. Astronomers have discovered about 4,000 comets, and the SOHO spacecraft has identified roughly 3,950. Meanwhile, there are a few million asteroids, with about 30,000 considered near-Earth objects, and 1 to 2 million measuring 1 kilometer or more. So, with so many comets and asteroids out there, how come Earth isn't constantly getting hit? The answer lies in the immense vastness of space, mostly empty, so the chances of two small objects colliding are extremely low. Plus, Earth has a shield, Jupiter. Its strong gravity bends the orbits of many incoming objects. The gravity of Jupiter pulls asteroids away from the center of the solar system. Also, most comets are small. Those that do hit Earth usually burn in the atmosphere, putting on a spectacular show as harmless shooting stars. Of course, we've missed some objects approaching Earth. For example, Apophis, discovered only 2 days after it passed by Earth. 2012 DA14, discovered a year earlier. It passed very close in 2013. 2020 QG, discovered after it had already passed, just 2,950 miles above the Indian Ocean. 2023 UK3 and 2025 FA22, tiny asteroids detected shortly before their close approaches. We did miss one that hit us. The Chelyabinsk meteor exploded over the Russian city of the same name, injuring 1,500 people. It was only 20 meters long and approached from the direction of the sun, the blind spot of telescopes. So, although NASA doesn't expect any comet or asteroid to hit Earth in the next 100 years, the universe is full of surprises. Instruments improve, discoveries continue, and there's always more to learn. Judging from history, catastrophic hits are extremely rare, happening every several billion years. And that's one more thing to comfort us. In the meantime, let's enjoy the skies.
Thanks for watching. Hasta la vista. Mwah.